Can your smartwatch really match your mood or your style every single day? That's exactly what Samsung seems to be aiming for with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 series, and thanks to a fresh leak just ahead of the Unpacked event on July 9th, we now have a clearer idea of what's coming. This time, it's not just about hardware upgrades, it's about personalization. A recent teardown of the Galaxy Watch 7 Manager app has revealed 7 never-before-seen watch faces that could be part of Samsung's next big smartwatch release. These faces weren't just random images either, they came with names and even descriptions, suggesting they're close to final. The list includes minimal analog, minimal digital, sporty classic, heritage classic, interactive number, gradient, info board, and circle info board. Each one seems built for a different mood, look, or kind of user. For example, the minimal analog and minimal digital faces are as clean and distraction-free as it gets, likely appealing to those who prefer a more relaxed or professional design. Sporty Classic and Heritage Classic offer a more traditional look, but keep the smartwatch functionality, probably aimed at users who want a watch that doesn't scream tech. Then there's Interactive Number, which sounds a little more fun and likely adds dynamic visuals or something playful. The Gradient Info Board and Circle Info Board, on the other hand, are clearly meant for utility. These faces seem packed with key data like steps, heart rate, maybe even notifications, laid out in an easy-to-read style. Now here's why this leak matters. These watch faces weren't just found in some sketchy third-party source. They were hidden inside Samsung's own app, the one that's designed to manage its smartwatches. That gives the leak some weight, and when you compare it to those promotional images that popped up earlier, it's pretty clear these designs match up. In other words, there's a strong chance these faces are going to be part of the Galaxy Watch 8 software from day one, but the updates don't stop at watch faces. Samsung is also expected to introduce new hardware changes, including a redesign for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Rumors point to a squircle shape, a mix between a square and a circle, which might not just look cool, but could also make room for more screen space and improved usability. If that's true, these new watch faces will have even more room to shine, making the whole experience smoother and more user-friendly. The timing of this leak also builds hype. With just days to go before the Unpacked event, fans are already guessing what else could be revealed. But this focus on style and personalization is a good hint at Samsung's strategy. They seem to want users to feel like their watch isn't just a gadget, it's an extension of their personality. And with these 7 fresh designs, there's something for everyone, whether you want data, style, or something playful. It's also a smart way to get people more excited about software features, not just hardware changes. After all, people wear their smartwatches every day, and being able to change the look to match your outfit, mood, or schedule is a feature that matters. So if you've ever felt limited by the default faces on your current smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 8 might finally give you the freedom to express yourself more easily. Like what you heard, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all the latest tech leaks and news. What if your next smartphone could cool itself like a mini air conditioner and stay fast, even during heavy use? That's exactly what Huawei might be working on with the Mate 80 series. According to a trusted leak from Weibo tipster at Smart Pikachu, Huawei is developing a new triple-layer cooling system for its upcoming flagship phones, expected to launch later this year. This cooling tech is said to bring improvements in 3 major areas: internal durability, active heat dissipation, and smart temperature control. Let's break this down in real-world terms. Internal durability means the phone will be built in a way that helps it resist heat damage over time. Phones that heat up too much can slow down, damage internal parts, or cause the battery to wear out faster. To avoid this, Huawei is planning to use ultra-thin built-in cooling fans inside the Mate 80 series. These fans are likely made of aluminum, a material known for being lightweight, rust-resistant, long-lasting, and excellent at conducting heat. So instead of just heating up and staying hot, the phone will actively push that heat away using actual moving parts. This is where active heat dissipation comes into play. Unlike passive cooling, which depends on natural heat escape, active cooling uses energy and built-in hardware to control heat in a smarter way. It can push out hot air, transfer heat across different layers, and make sure the device doesn't get too warm during games, video recording, or other demanding tasks. It helps keep the phone's performance smooth without slowdowns caused. By overheating, the third-part smart temperature control takes things a step further by using sensors and a built-in thermostat. This part of the system keeps an eye on the phone's temperature in real time and adjusts things like processing speed and fan power to make sure the phone stays at a safe level. So if the phone notices it's heating up, it can cool itself down quickly before you even realize it's warm. Huawei has done something similar before. For example, the Mate 70 series used a large 6,870 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system, which spread out across a big area inside the phone. That made a noticeable difference in keeping things cool. Now, if this new leak is accurate, the Mate 80 series is going even further. This would be one of the first times we're seeing a flagship phone with such a smart, multi-layered approach to heat management. It's not just about keeping the phone from overheating, it's about improving long-term performance, battery life, and even safety. On top of all that, rumors suggest that the Mate 80 might also come with a new Kirin 9 processor. If true, this chip could offer better energy efficiency, faster speeds, and improved multitasking. Combine that with advanced cooling, and you're looking at a phone that's not only powerful, but also designed to stay cool under pressure. Although Huawei hasn't confirmed anything officially yet, it's clear the company is focusing on solving a problem that many users deal with: everyday phones getting too hot when pushed hard. Whether it's gaming, filming in high resolution, or multitasking between apps, overheating can make even the best phones feel laggy or unstable. Huawei seems ready to fix that in a big way. If the Mate 80 series launches with this smart cooling technology, it could change how future phones handle heat. And if the trial production goes well, we might hear more about it as the launch gets closer. So, do you think smarter cooling could be the next big thing in smartphones? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates made simple.
Can one phone camera handle both bright sunlight and deep shadows at the same time? Most smartphones still struggle with this. You either lose the details in the dark areas or overexpose the bright parts. But Huawei thinks it has solved this problem with the new Pura 80 series. Ahead of its official release, Huawei just shared a short teaser, only 39 seconds, and it's already creating a buzz. This teaser focuses on what could be the phone's biggest strength, the camera. Let's break down what it actually shows, in simple words. First up, the main camera. According to